Hello everyone, we are Gert and Niluka. Welcome to our channel. In March 2022 we embarked on a new adventure by purchasing a semi-off-grid farm in central Portugal. We are now in the process of transforming this land into a beautiful homestead where we can live a more sustainable and healthier life. Join us on our journey as we leave behind our old ways and learn how to live off the land. We are excited to have you along for the ride. So sit back, relax and enjoy today's video.
Hello guys, I'm sorry for the videos lately. We didn't have enough time to edit it, so it becomes a bit rushed. It's just very hard for us if Niluka is working as much and I'm working behind the computer to have some time to create the videos, but we are still trying to do it each week. So if you are a bit late with videos or it is a bit rushed, I try to avoid it, but you know why it is. Helping a friend with his car. His old brake discs are really done. That's a pretty big edge on it. And the parts we're going to Oh my god, I think those pads are done. Good morning. This morning I'm gonna make some flower beds on our restraining wall. So our restraining wall we want it in flowers and leaves in the future. Let me show you. So this wall we put a shade cover on, but we want plants to grow on it, so it will be fully green in the future. We're going to make flower beds all along the wall. If it's done, we put it in rendering, so it's all nice and white. A few climbing plants, one to the left, one to the middle, and one to the right on each. It's a nice job for the morning.
get dirt on my shoes. I don't mind climbing 8 more floors, 'cause these stairs are all heading to you. I don't wait dust and the dirt on our clothes. Hey, my friend, we'll never say remember when, if we keep on making memories where we stand, where we stand. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. And go put on that old wedding dress now. Probably still fits like a glove. And tell the band to play one more slow song, 'cause you still have all my love. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. Let's get happy before we get old. No more whiskey, I'll have a Coke. Catching bass on an old fishing boat. One more story from Grandpa Joe. Let's get happy before we get old.
Good morning, guys. It has been raining the last days, so the ground should be a little more soft, I hope. It still feels pretty hard to me. But I want to clean this up a little, and I have to make a trench here for the water pipe, because eventually there will be a pond. So that this water from here, I want to extend this with the same stones about to here, I think. So the water will run here. So yeah, that's something I want to do today. Besides working on the farm, we are making a new website, so you can buy very nice t-shirts soon at our place. I've been designing a lot of t-shirts the last month, so I will show you I think within a month or so. Yesterday it was way too hot, so I stopped early. I should wake up more early because it's better to work in the morning. My neighbor is not cleaning his land yet, so I'm cleaning the small patch behind my house. It's not my land, but I'm on the free border on this side. So I cleaned up a small stroke. I cleaned up the tree from the house. Here on this side the same. Just clean it up a little bit. The tree was fallen on the fence, so I removed that too. I heard from another neighbor that come here at the end of May normally with machines, but I didn't see any machines yet. And there was an agent, he was trying to sell this land, so maybe the owner has passed away. But if that's so, then this land will be unmaintained. And then I'm not sure what I have to do with that, because it is a fire risk, of course. If this dries out, it burns easily. So I have to look into that. If anyone of you knows how to handle this, then please let me know. We are working on a special video because somewhere in June, I don't know the specific date, need look at us. We are 1 year in this house officially. So we're gonna show you everything what happened in the year. So yeah, that could be a fun video. If you guys have any questions about the year we had, please put them in this video because we're gonna use them in the next video, or in the video where we do the 1 year. I'm not sure if we do it next week, it could be the week after, but it will be coming soon. So we would like you guys' input. Just ask any question you like and we will answer it honestly. Hello guys.
We want to take the time to thank you for watching our video this week.
We really appreciate your love and support you're giving us on the channel.
If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe and like button.
And click the notification bell if you want to stay up to date with our latest videos.
And for exclusive sneak previews, join our Facebook community.
If you'd like to get in touch with us, send us an email.
And we promise we will reply.
Always.
Always.
Feel free to leave a comment, guys. We really like it.
We're already looking forward to catch up with you next Saturday at 6 p.m.
It's foutje uploaded every Saturday. Bye
Bye.
bye. Ciao ciao.